What is good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the Flow Trading Academy NY session. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you had a great week so far. Another week coming to an end, guys. Absolutely insane. See what gold's going to do for us today, everybody. Let's just have a quick look at the pre-market plan that we post in the Discord every single morning. It's 8:28 this morning, so a good few hours ago for us here in the UK. So let's have a quick look. So we were looking at the 4150s to the 4080s, 4090s range. The still very much stuck within this range at the moment. We were looking for any sort of pullbacks towards the 4155s, looking for shorts. We actually ended up taking longs as we did pull back into the 4090s and the 4080s, which I'll show you in a second, and we took a very nice risk to reward ratio trade there, closed full at about 70 pips, which was great. So that's 7 handles. Very nice reaction trade there. However, since then, so that was early this morning, and since then gold has actually been dropping quite significantly. Okay, so here's the trade we took earlier. We also took a very nice short yesterday during NYSE with Flow Trading Academy. So very, very good trades this week, everybody. Very good week. But at the moment, you can see here the 4155 is holding very strong, very strong. We just absolutely tanked. We tanked again during the Asia session after this initial rally to the upside. Tried to break the 4150s, just got rejected straight back into it, and now we're back inside the range that was created by this immediate drop down to the 73s and the 70s, only to come back up to the 4150s, and now we're continuing inside the range. So guys, today's plan relatively straightforward. At the moment, this is just a consolidation area. So whilst we took the buys after the initial reaction, had a nice offer filled here on the bid side, and we pushed up, caught that trade. Excellent, well done. Move on to the next. But now you can see here that these little pops to the upside are actually failing now. So I'm not overly confident in more buying from this zone. So in fact, I'm actually going to delete this zone off just to avoid any confusion for you guys, because it just looks like we're just going to continue in our trend of the bears. The bears still look very much in control. If anyone watched our weekly analysis that we post every Sunday on YouTube, every Sunday evening for the week ahead, you'll see that I was certainly talking about, I think Wall as well, where we talk about on gold, there's always potential for buys. Buys are always there. They're very much short-lived. Gold is very, very bearish at the moment, and it has been for the start of the year. So I think sells are going to be the better trade, unless we can get down to maybe the 73s and the 75s, which is born out of this little spike down last night, and then a continuation to the upside. You can see here all of these passive buyers that were put onto the current order book and then just pulled straight away. So we know that there is interest from buyers in this region. However, they're not very strong at the moment, not very aggressive. Nothing's really holding price up at the moment. Bears look like they're very much in control. So sells are going to be very favorable. Where to sell from? Well, that's going to be the next question. If we continue to push down, then we would ultimately create an area of supply around here. And then what I'd like to see is this area of supply then hold. So it's all about just making sure this continues to drop. We need to see it drop aggressively, start breaking through all of these areas of where passive and aggressive buyers have been previously. We want to see it continue to flush down. We're going to pull back to the 4090s. Then we can look to take shorts off there. I mean, obviously the best shorts are going to be towards the 4130s again. For those of you that are watching the stream on Tuesday, 4130s, 4135s, great area for shorts. But at the moment, we're just going to have to sit back and watch. We have got news. We have got news in 1 hour. jobless claims, I believe. So that will be interesting as well. But yeah, guys, that's the plan. Let's just sit back and relax. See what happens. If we can get maybe a little flush below yesterday's low, you know how much I love to take those reversal trades. It's very much my style. I love to see lows, significant lows getting broken. A flood of sellers come in, only to get rejected, and we close back in the range. Yeah, so let's see, guys. I'm going to let the boys in now. Yeah, you unmuted. Share the wisdom. Bear with me.
What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up?
And there's Wolf. How we doing, boys?
Hello. Hello. What's up?
Yeah, all good, man. All good. It's Wall there as well.
Yes, Wall should be here.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Good stuff, guys. Who wants to go first, guys? Who wants to do their analysis?
Go ahead, Wall.
Okay. I'll share my screen.
All right. Let's go. I'm just going to cover NASDAQ since I'm the one who's pretty much doing that. So let's see. Right now, NASDAQ's obviously breaking down. We're transacting lower. And it looks like we're probably going to head into these 28,750 region and below. We're currently tapping into a call, actually a put wall right now, but we're breaking through with like heavy aggression. So I don't think it's going to hold. And let me just get my level. Next one's at 28,800. So I'm thinking we could probably get a little bounce at around 28,888. Got a naked POC over there. But next target, 28,800. And yeah, we're looking for sells on NAS. Do not try to buy the dip. You know, you will probably get punished. Okay.
Beautiful.
Off to K.
Thanks, Wolf. Thank you so much. Let's go to K. Look, guys, if you do want to trade NAS as well, make sure you join the Flow Trading Academy Discord. Wall is Mr. NAS, and K trades NAS as well. I, for one, am a massive pussy. I hate NAS. I'm scared of it. You'll never see me on it. But these guys are all over it. Let me share my screen for K. Okay, bro, you're live.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna start working with bigger time frame first. Well, I'm looking at gold. As you can see, this week we traveled up quite a bit. Now, once we traveled up, we created some distribution here. Now looks like it's gonna create a distribution around this area. This would be the ultimate target. This is where the most of the trading took place. This is the weekly time frame I'm talking about. Now let's go on to the daily thingy. As you can see, I have these levels. Let's just take this one off. We just broke inside this balance. So now we can look to get back down to this level. Okay, so that's for the trade plan. However, look at gamma levels. Today we are sitting at HVL and we just rejected off of that. If I were to go back to this one, okay, as you can see, HVL and BL blind spot level, we just rejected off of that. What I would like to see is the market trade below this so I can short again. Now let's go back to options market. Here are the prices. First of all, I'm going to talk about the options expiry, how much gamma expiring today and stuff like that. We have 8.8% gamma expiring today, so some volatility in the market. And tomorrow we have 46% gamma expiring. Tomorrow could be a huge day. You're going to have a lot of volatility and stuff, so please manage your risk carefully. And on the 27th you have 21% gamma expiring. Okay, so now that we have the gauge of the market, you know what to expect, what kind of volatility we can expect. Now let's look at some levels on the futures. So 4105 was the spot, like, you know, where it could shop from. And if you were to look over here, look where market all the sales came from. Market had a little bounce. Once it broke, it never looked back. It just kept going down. Okay, now 4080. I was on a show earlier. Me and Wall we were on a call and I was selling it. 4080 was my target, which well, my target was 82, a little bit ahead of 80 level. So I hit my TP on that. That one is done. And yes, if we were to look lower, 4000 is still a key level and 4035. But that's for next 3 days of expiry. Let's look at only today's expiry. Okay, 0 DTE. What are we looking at? 4080 is one level. We can expect some buyers at 4075. If we break 4075, we're going down to 4050. So that's about it for now.
Thank you, man. Beautiful. 4075 aligns very nicely with this level here. So that's that. That's where this spike down happened during market open, guys. And we're actually approaching that area now. So you can see here, guys, it's where the three of us are so complementary, is that, you know, Kay and I, we haven't talked before coming live on stream here. And straight away he said 4075, and I've also got 4072 to 4078 drawn up. So you can see the synergy, guys, the synergy. It's a beautiful thing. And if you guys want to trade live with us every single day, all day, make sure you join the Discord link in.
We are tapping the 4075 level now, Simon.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's have a look.
And we have a lot of volume coming in. So any sign of absorption, I might look to buy. Let's see.
Let's get my footprint chart up now, guys. I'm looking for, is anything coming on the bid or get trapped on the ask? So that's what I'm currently looking for, guys.
Hello, Eduardo.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Well, who's that? Who just joined?
That's Ed, Big Ed.
Eduardo. Old school.
Yeah. Old. I don't know about school.
Anyone, give me a shout if you execute, because I'm also looking. So just let me know. And I'll flip over.
What are you guys up to?
Just trading.
Yeah, currently looking at the 4075s at the moment. Just want to see if this will hold, though.
Yeah.
That's such an aggressive move down.
I mean, like I said, we can expect some buyers at 4075. However, if we break 4075, we're going down to 50s, 60 to 50s, around that level.
We need to see if this is going to hold, guys. Got a nice bounce up. We get a pullback, and we start to see buyers coming in on the footprint and buyers coming in on the Bookmap. Then we can look to initiate longs, but we don't want to jump into anything yet, guys, because we're at such an aggressive move down. Sure.
Always remember, when you fight the trend, it's always going to be lower probability.
Exactly.
Yes.
Trade with the path of least resistance, my friends. The trend is your friend.
Yes, it is.
Until it missed the end.
Hey, I like that. I love that.
You never had that, did you?
No, that was good.
Nope.
I'm gonna steal that. Till it meets the end. Love that.
Okay, if we get a closure above 78, well, what's the price actually? 79.84 on this candle, I'm very much interested in buying it.
Yeah, I'm looking for some orders getting filled on the bid side. So just to extra confirmation, we might get a little bounce here, guys.
Okay,
Shall we
40,
go over to
30
you?
seconds to go. Yep, you can jump on it. So you can see the HVL on spot is sitting over here. I
Yep.
want to see market closing above this, and over here on the footprint you can see a lot of volume at the bottom. So if you can close somewhere around here, I'm very much interested in buying it. If not, I'll just sit tight until we get a closure above this, and based on the footprint I will execute. And over here you can see, like, volume is fading. And also if you look at this, ooh, that looks quite interesting. Okay, boom.
Order filled.
Hey, we're in buys, guys. Buys.
I'm on a buy. My stop is below this. Okay.
We'll draw that out.
Yep. Of course, I'm not going to take it all the way there. Like, if I do not get a push up from this bottom, I'll be out before that. Like, this is the absolute level, and there you go. It started to move up. However, we have to break this level. I want to see a break in it with a lot of good volume. If not, I might have to think about my trade. Okay, good stuff.
Beautiful.
About $100 up. Let's see what happens. We should be able to see a push up to this spot. If not, bare minimum, we can look at this level. Okay, now let's go to TPO 30 minutes one. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, we got here, came back down. Cool. Let's see what happens. We want to see push up. Of course, we are expecting sellers to jump in around those edges of these profiles. Like, let me just quickly mark them out. We can expect here, so a lot of resistance on top. We can expect one here. So yes, those are the price point. Now if I were to draw a zone, this would be a whole zone. And also if you look at this profile, guys, there's gonna be sellers up here. So yes, I want to see a lot of buys coming in on this footprint and market pushing up along with volume and stuff. So yes, right now only tiny bit of profit, $30. It's nothing major. I want to see what's going on here. Let's remember, this is HVL, what we are sitting on. Okay, dealers are interested in these prices, so we gotta be careful about it. If we close below these heavy volumes, I'll cut my trade short. However, if we do close above, I'll stay on the trade. I'm going to manage my risk accordingly based on what I see. Okay, only $60 up. I want to take it to at least this level.
What price is that, bro? What price is that?
On spot, we're looking at 84.82.
84.82.
That's the bare minimum. I'll take some profit off at that point. I'm not going to close it fully.
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay, but for that, we need to keep going up and above this heavy volume zone. And once it goes up, I want to see this volume spiking up. I tried to replicate this footprint over here, but I failed to do so because tradeaway is quite different, right?
Mm-hmm. We've
I mean,
got a buy
zero
trade.
is yep.
Buy trade in the Flow Trading Academy. It's on the screen now. If you want to follow along. This is what the FTA currently looking at. Sorry, Keith, go for it.
No, you're okay. So we have some buy and sells over here, some buying balance and some selling balance. I want to see what happens. I want to see a trade above this. Let me just quickly draw this zone. We could expect sellers within this zone and within these zones. If we do break above this, we can expect sellers up here, like over here. Now it is struggling a little bit, so what I'll do, I will take
Order filled.
some off.
Order filled.
Okay, I have only one micro setting at the moment, and once this candle closes, I'm gonna bring my stop below this. Okay, just booked in some profit, because if the market was to turn around, I don't want to give all my profit away and then take a loss. You know what I mean? No, I'm going broke taking profit, so I'm going to book some profit and then manage it accordingly. Okay, it's good. I'm actually thinking about adding to my trade, but we do have all of this.
Close to TP, bro. Close to TP. Close. Right. Just hit the 82s.
Okay, so we're sitting at 85 on spot.
Sorry, 85 on futures, bro.
Sorry, futures.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
I'm old.
You're old. I'm ancient, bro. Oh, here we go, boys. Close to TP.
Close to TP, close to TP. As you can see, we're expecting sellers within the zone. Let me just make a zone instead of lines so people understand. There you go.
Oh, there we go. Just a little bit more
Let's
of a
take
push.
this off now.
More of a push. I'm actually gonna go be break even. There you go, guys. I'm break even on this one.
Yeah, me too.
I think K's close on as well.
There you
Brilliant.
go.
I'm gonna trim. Ah, beautiful.
I'm done trading on my other accounts, funded accounts, so I'm just trading on this thing. It's a
nice,
small
bro.
account. I just want to pass this on.
Very good, very nice. Hey guys, we're breaking.
Earlier I was scalping this range, like every time it was going up, just sell it, just sell it, just sell it.
Yeah.
I didn't want to buy it, I just wanted to sell.
Hey
Just
guys,
kept selling.
we're gonna smash this TP. There it is. TP hit, guys. Well,
Yeah.
that's my TP.
TP hit, but
That's my
I'm gonna
TP.
hold because I'm looking at these. So where are we sitting at the moment? We're sitting at 86. No, closer 4.
Fucking beautiful.
Closer 4.
Order filled.
There's another win
Done.
for the group, guys.
Let's go. That was fast too.
Another win for the group, guys. Beautiful. You just saw a masterclass on how the three of us work together. K straight away to 75. I had 72 to 78 drawn up. Oh my lord. Oh my god.
Okay, you got to 92. You got to 92. Now let's look at some levels.
Beautiful.
Okay, if we get another chance to show this market. So futures HVL sitting at 1495, around 90 to 95 level. Okay, if we get a good sell from there, I would love to sell. However, my sell will only come if we travel back down below 79.84. And if you hop on over to my chart, Simon, for a second.
Sorry, bro. I was just
No.
spamming the
No,
group
no.
with that TP. Yeah, go for it, bro. Go for it.
Yeah, so this level that I drew earlier, as you can see, the rejection came from there. However, where can you expect a good sell to come from? Right here. Now guys, do not try to replicate this. Do not try to replicate this trading style because you need the right data, right price increments and stuff, like a lot of things that goes behind it. Okay, plus these charts and stuff, a lot of investment, a lot of tweaking and touching. years of you know how much I've paid for these charts and stuff just to get them made. So yeah, you need Sierra chart for this kind of trading. Like if you were to go on TradingView and to draw the same levels, it's not going to be correct. It's not going to be correct, guys. So here are some of the trades that I took. As you can see, minimal stop loss, good trades, good trades. Today's one I didn't draw for whatever reason. As you can see, it's not very clear on TradingView or even TradeAway. In that case, like if I were to go back on TradeAway, like no, volume is pathetic. So look where we closed and how we closed. Shall I do some live drawing, live analysis of the market, guys? Kind of basis.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
Before you do that, bro. Before you do it, I'm so sorry. Can we just do? I just want to do a really quick recap on that trade that we just took.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So bear with me, guys. So you can see we had a zone here at 40.72 to the 78. The reason why that formed is because there's a huge spike down here when it held last night. But it didn't. It started back on the 21st of this month. You can see here on the ask, these huge aggressive buyers absolutely pumped the market up over about, well, nearly 1,000 pips to the upside, about 800 pips to the upside. And this area held last night, tapped into again, 75, immediate rejection. Same thing happened today. We had this huge sell-off, huge aggressive selling denoted by these big red bubbles, aggressive selling into this area of market structure demand. As soon as we tapped into it, I know that it gave me a lot more confidence as well, knowing that Kay had his gamma levels and looking at the same area. We were both able to execute on the trade, have a really tight stop loss underneath the 74s, and we just popped up. Annoyingly, my take profit got hit long before this little spike here, but it is what it is. We'll take the profit off, and then we'll come back another day. But yeah, so really happy with that buy, guys. Lots of very good trades live for FTA this week. So yeah, really good week, guys. Right, sorry, Kay, I'll go back to you.
I'll let Wall take over for a moment. Wall, if you can take over. I'm just going for a fag quickly.
Yeah, no problem.
I deserve it after the win.
All right.
Right.
Okay, so I mean, we've already, bagged our trade. There's not much more to do, so I'll just hang out a little bit, see if another trade setup appears, presents itself to us. And right now we're already so if you were to, take a sell, the sell has pretty much already presented itself as we've tapped into this value area. And we obviously have a consolidation breakdown, the retest. So there's a continuation here, but we've got 2 minutes until NY opens. So, expect some volatility to kick in. Man, that trade happened fast. It's so much better than London session.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think we're better off starting 45 minutes, half an hour before NY opens.
Yeah.
So much more.
Forget about London.
What did you say?
Forget about London, man. Forget about it. Not worth it.
Oh, man. Eduardo, Edwin, did you manage to take that?
No, I didn't. No.
Okay.
I was just looking.
I just took a fucking bad loss on that, basically, because I got slipped.
Okay. Yeah, to be fair, I got slipped on mine as well, annoyingly. I got that spike up. Oh,
Wait,
man,
you sell or you buy? You buy, right?
Yeah, live on YouTube, we took the buys. And we took the buys.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Oh, sorry. I think Edwin's talking about earlier in the day.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Yeah, I'm sorry. Earlier
Yeah,
in the day, earlier in the day I took buys. Yeah. Bear with me. Let me show you where I took them, so you can see.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Show you where I
Alright, welcome back.
Thank you, thank you. So,
Here it
what are
was.
we looking at?
Oh.
That one there.
Ah, shit.
That
That's
that was
early.
that was a couple of hours ago though. That was earlier.
Yeah. I took a bite after that. I get rolled because of me being a dumbass.
You are back.
Anyway,
Hang on, Dad.
on to the next one.
That was a perfect bounce of 75, eh? 75.9. 8 to be exact. Okay, so let's look at some of the levels now. So what are we looking at? Next spot where we can expect buyers is 65. Can we get a good sell?
God, what a great.
By the way, look at today's profile, okay? And look at the low of the profile, where the HVL is sitting. It looks like it's just gonna break. The profile itself looks like it's gonna break.
Guys, as you can see as well, today both of certainly my trades have been buys, and they've both worked out. And as I was saying earlier, whilst the trend, I am fighting the trend, but I also recognise, I mean, look how small my take profits and also my stop losses are. So the risk to reward is still good, but on the buys compared to the sells, we're catching stuff like 200 pips on the sells. Before the buys, we're very much looking for in and outs, okay? Because we know that we're fighting the trend. We know we're fighting against all the orders and all the aggressive selling. So we're very much looking for the reaction trades. We're not looking for the home run. Definitely not on the buy side.
Yeah. And as I said earlier, it's like we've already tapped into the consolidation, and that's your sell opportunity. And yeah, so we're breaking down, and you'd already be like 5 handles in profit if you had taken a sell, but you'd have to be quick on your fingers to catch that one.
Guys, please make sure to join the Flow Trading Academy. The link is in the description. As you can see, guys, another live trade for you guys, but we trade all day. As Kay was saying earlier, in the Flow Trading Academy trading room, he was able to take sells. Took beautiful profit on that. Okay, NY is open, guys.
All right, let's go and show people what Flow Trading Academy is about. Let's do some live reading of the market.
I'll share your screen, bro, and you can take over for me for a second. Let me share with you. And you can do, sorry, I interrupted you earlier. You can do what you're gonna do.
You chilling?
Mute myself.
Perfect. So, let's take everything off. And we're gonna read the market live. Okay. We can see this was the extreme, okay? And there's heavy selling balance. So I was expecting sellers to come in here. What can they get to? Oops, not this. I want the rectangle. I want the zone. This is the spot where we can expect some buyers to come in, which lines up with stacked buying balance over here. However, this is not big. It's a minor buying balance. Therefore, I'm not going to put too much emphasis on it. But looking at this zone, it does hold some significance. Now, it depends where we close on this candle. Obviously, we're reading it candle by candle basis. Market is kind of slow at the moment, guys. If you're in New York, you would see a lot of volume and stuff like that. It's only 1 p.m. for us, and NYSE opens at 2:30, so we're still like 1.5 hours away. So some of the buy spots where we can expect buys to come in. There you go. Here's one spot. This is another spot. Now let's look at the sell spots. We have this here. Let me take this off quickly. We can expect sellers here. Okay, let's take this off. We can expect some sellers up here. Let's go through this quickly. We can expect some sellers up here. Okay, I'll leave it that for now. Okay, so look at this. Look at the way you put the bottom in. Expect some buyers here. Expect a push up. Look at the 117 buy imbalance with 35 and majority of the volume at the bottom. So yes, you can see a push up. The next spot where we can expect the market to hold is this area. Okay, anything else is just noise. So on futures, where are we sitting at the moment? We're sitting at 87. Okay, now let's look at this candle. This is 1205 candle. 1205 over here. 1495. Look, it lines up with 1495. And what do we have at 1495? HVL on futures. Okay. So this, look at this price action. Looking at this, what can you expect? What can you expect at this point? I'm expecting a lot of support. I'm not expecting the market to just break right through. No. I'm expecting a lot of support, a lot of noise at the bottom. On top, nothing until we reach all the way up there. So we're just going to wait and see and witness this live. So basically, before you even enter the market, you know what kind of price action you're expecting. Okay, whether if you're going to be sitting there for quite long or it's going to be a one-way move. But remember that, guys, we are sitting in a downtrend, and also we are in negative gamma regime. What happens in negative gamma regime is dealers will sell with sellers. They will sell aggressively and buy as the market goes down. They will buy to give the market a soft cushion so the market just doesn't drop. Okay, they'll support the market by buying. Okay, so as you can see, it touched it to the tick and it moved up. I'm not saying market gonna turn around from there, guys. There's a difference. All I'm saying is we're gonna get a reaction from there. The reason I'm saying it because remember we're sitting, like I said before, we're sitting in negative gamma regime. Okay. Yes, if I do get a sell opportunity, I'll definitely sell. I will definitely sell around this area, which is around the 95 area on futures. I will look to sell. They put in this high with a finished auction for a reason. Okay, this is to get people to sell early. Okay, anyone that sells from here, these are early sellers. They're gonna get rolled. What they will do, they put these lows and all this noise for a reason. They're gonna be moving sideways. Then they will go up, take out anyone's stop loss that is sitting up here. Okay. Also, guys, look at this. We have delta divergence, massive delta divergence. But like I said earlier, we have 8.8% gamma expiring today, and tomorrow 46%. Therefore, I have to take both of the days into account. I can't just take today and next 10 days. No, I have to look at next 2 days, because what the market likes to do, it likes to work towards the next expiration. So if I were to look at next 2 days, today and tomorrow, look at the levels we have. 105, okay, 4100, 4080, 4075. Look at this. Look at this open interest, put to call ratio. Okay, if we break 75, we're gonna go a lot lower, a lot lower. So what do we have now? As you can see, market held. Now I'm gonna take this off. Where can you expect sellers? Right here, right here. Let me just quickly mark this box. You should see a reaction here. Okay, and there you go. Here's the reaction. Market came down. Now if it goes down, where can I expect buyers to come in? I'm not saying buyers or sellers gonna just run away with the market. No, I'm talking about reaction. Okay, right here at the bottom of the zone. Looks like market is moving really slow, guys. It's moving really slow, not much volatility. Probably is waiting for 230. What do you think, boys?
Yeah,
Simon,
I agree.
one?
Yeah, I agree. I'm just glad we got a nice early win on YouTube.
Yeah.
I think if nothing sort of happens, maybe give it till 1:30, let the news happen.
Yeah. Is there a news today? I didn't even check the calendar.
Yeah, it's like job losses.
Ah, okay.
But yeah, I agree. There's nothing really. I'll be honest with you. I was hoping for a bit more of a reaction.
Like a drastic reaction, like a lot of volatility.
I was hoping the 75s were just gonna pump it back towards the 4100s, but really hanging around here.
Yeah.
So yeah, but yeah, guys, got a nice early win for you guys. Hope everyone took that. Post all the results in our Discord, so make sure you follow that, please. So much free resources, guys, within there. And if you are interested in trading with us live every single day, firstly, you need to be in the Discord, and then you will get access to trade with us live every single day. You'll get all the charts. You'll be able to watch all the charts that you're seeing today. So all of Kay's charts that he just showed you there, mine with my Bookmap and footprint, a nice wall with a tick chart, market profile, TPO. Can't get that anywhere else, guys. There is no YouTuber showing what we're showing you today. You just got an expert analysis from Kay.
Market is slow. Otherwise, I would have gave them a lot more value. They would have seen, like, you know.
Yeah.
If there is volatility and stuff in the market, then I could read the market candle by candle basis, where they could expect a reaction, where the market could turn from, and stuff like that. But of course, it's a slow market that we're working with at the moment. So yeah, it's nailing around. But hey, like I said, market gonna be moving sideways around here. Then they'll go up, take the high out, stop everyone out, get to the HPL level. Then they will decide which way they want to push the market, whether to push it down or push it up.
Yes.
But I'm expecting it to drop a lot lower because of what I showed on the weekly time frame.
This one. Okay, I don't know, and Wall as well. I don't know if you can see this. So this is what we often talk about, the differences between trading view and the order flow, and just looking at candlesticks. Now, Kay will be able to, and will be able to explain a lot more than I can, but just straight away as a visual and trying to understand what's happening in the market, look at 11 p.m. So hang on.
Oh, that spiked down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it got to a value and then it moved up from there. It rejected that value.
Yeah, absolutely, man. But you just can't see that on the candlestick. Look at that. Look at that aggressive spike down, huge aggressive selling, completely unable to break the 75s. Now, if you're purely using trading view and you see a big red ass candle like that, you're thinking sell, sell, sell. Let's jump in to sell. But instant pain if you try to short that.
Oh yeah.
Now, if you actually hop onto my screen real quick, I want to show you something with that large spike down off the opening candle.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Well, I'll tell you when we're live on me. Make sure you close all those tabs.
Yeah.
Here you go, bro. You're live.
All right. So this opening candle, right? No liquidities really in the market, so you just have like some, of the bigger players where they have their positional trades, just pending orders, just resting there from probably prior sessions, right? And you can see it came down instantly and it filled these massive orders of like 160, 100. And if you look as price, trended, traded around for the majority of the day, eventually it came down and tapped into this very first large order. And you see an instant reaction out of it. Like, we're talking about almost, about 100 pips, 100 ticks move off of that large order. So this is something you'd never see in a, trading view candlestick, even on a 1 minute. You just see a giant candle. Like, you'd never see where the actual orders were in it. And then we'll look at the second large order that came in. Oh, look at that. It turned into the resistance.
Support.
So once it traded through it, retested it from the underside, it just couldn't get back above it. Could not reclaim. And down we go. And now we have massive orders transacting down here. Yeah. Oh man, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. All right.
Everybody,
back to you.
Look at your footprints. Let's see what that is.
Oh yes, I'm
holy.
very much interested in shorting. Let's see how this closes.
Okay, Ella, let me go.
Now you guys saw that. You guys saw that huge order and instantly price collapsed.
Fuck me, you saw that live.
Yep.
Look at that, guys. Straight back into the 75s again, and now we're rejecting again. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at that, 216 on the bid.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Massive.
Guys, you are seeing stuff live you will not get from your Lamborghini Mamba Wamba.
Mamba.
Whatever they call themselves. Another one, 278 on the bid.
Man, it's huge. Holy shit.
Oh my god, 282.
Okay, so I would say straight away, like when you start seeing like massive orders coming in like consecutively all in one area, you probably want to step away because it could just consolidate here and turn into a massive POC for the current time. It could just like ping pong around these orders as large players are positioning themselves for something.
Absolutely, guys. And this could just be one institution just offloading position at different prices. It's like over 500 contracts hitting a bid. So now, guys, this is where I think multiple things that we provide value on, but one thing in particular, when I first started trading order flow, and Eduardo would know this as well, and Kay and more, if I saw orders like this, I'd straight into buys. I would not even be thinking about it, straight into buys. And I would get stopped out and I would complain. But this is where context and what Wal just said is incredibly important. You need to context before you start jumping into trades. Context, location, and then confirmation. So right now, this is, it's all very exciting. We're seeing over 500 contracts on the bid at a very interesting area where we were looking to buy from. Well, where we did buy from and smashed our TP. #Ws. But we need to make sure that what we're seeing here aligns to what we think is going to happen. So, as Will said, don't just jump into anything just yet. Wait for the reaction, and then trade accordingly. Okay, guys.
Plus, most people don't know where to look at those big orders. You cannot just look at big orders anywhere, everywhere.
Yes.
There's a certain place where you have to look at those things.
Most people just look at big candles. That's all they got.
Yeah, let's look at trading view. Oh, let's have a look. Let's do a
Shooting star into the fucking moon.
look at that.
Silver
That's it.
bullet into my anus.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're looking at that, guys, and in fact, so I'll just put the risk reward tool back on. But yeah, let's you'd be looking at that thinking, I'm just gonna short this. We've broken this low here, and then
I'm not shorting
Oh,
yet
no.
because nothing telling me to short the market, by the way.
Yeah,
Because
no,
I
that's
did
fine.
say I was looking to short it, but
Thank you, brother. Thank you. That's good.
not enough evidence for me to short it yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna move this across, guys, because this was actually a win. I don't want you to think we got stopped down. That was a beautiful win live earlier. But see, guys, right there, you don't just want to jump into a trade because you're seeing some big green. These could be huge sellers. We just don't know, guys. So it's so important. Context is absolutely everything. Wait and see. Wait and see.
But here's something that we can do. We might not know what these guys are up to, but what we can do is know that price is highly likely, whichever way it goes from here, to revisit this location because of these large orders.
Yes, yes, that is so key, guys. That is so key. And because in fact, typical example, let me get my footprint up for you guys. For those of you that have been trading with us, and particularly with me, you will see that all of my levels that I draw, I mean, this one in particular, this is from like beginning of July. This is
from Jesus?
This is from the Jesus.
I was going to say.
This is from. Wait, no, the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is speaking to me. These levels were spoken to me by the Holy Ghost. No, these are from beginning of July. You know, these are really key levels. So we will always end up, as Will said, coming back to this area. So even if let's say for example, guys, this area starts to rally to the upside, back towards V1. We're not going to go, I've missed a move, I will never get another trade, my life sucks. No. We will know that these huge buyers, when price comes back here, as it did here, exactly as it did here, on the 21st of July, we had a huge buyer up, we came back again, we took buys again, we're now back in this area, are we going to go back up again? Let's find out, but we will always return to the scene of the crime.
I'm glad you guys have picked up on that terminology. I love it. I love that saying, right?
Always return to the scene of the crime. It's so true. It's so true. We've also had a great win today, guys. Straight as we came onto YouTube. Beautiful W's. We took a great W in London as well. There's no need to chase any trades. Notice, guys, I'm going to go back to what Wall said a second ago for those of you that were listening. Notice how we have these huge orders. Okay, that's now over 300. Jesus Christ, it's massive. But we have these huge orders, but price is sort of hanging around. Okay, price is very much hanging around in this area, so no need to jump into anything.
Is it too reckless for me to make a bold claim about gold dropping further?
You can make all the claims you want. You want to say it's going to put? Although
Okay,
although we are
gold gonna
live,
drop further.
we are live, and I will clip it.
Okay, if this candle closes the way it is right now, I'm shorting. I'm gonna sell the lows.
Okay, man. I'll come to you, bro. Okay, we'll probably be here for another 10 minutes, guys. We'll let Kate get his trade, and then we'll call it a day. But had a really
Okay,
go
so
for it.
let's get the macro views. Look at this. We're doing volume lower. Can you see? And where are we sitting? We're below the HVL. Okay, what do we have on the footprint? This. Can you see? This is beautiful. So, if we can close below this region. Okay, we did close. I'm shorting it.
Okay, guys. Kate's in the short.
Order filled.
And there you go. Straight away, profit.
Your last trade of the day, guys. Manage your risk.
Now, where can I get to? That's the next question, right? Let's go. Have a look at this. Ooh, 70. We have this. This is all negative, come on. Oh God. Let's go to today's 40, 80, 75. We could very well get to 40, 50. I'm gonna put it at 52. I'll have to do 2 handles.
I've got news in 5 minutes, brother. Just letting you know.
News in 5 minutes.
Oh yes, yep.
Yeah, guys. For those of you that are on prop firms, I am locked out, so I can't trade until 5 minutes after news or 5 minutes before. So this will be the last trade of the session. Kay's currently in shorts.
My stop is right above this. You scared me with the news.
Unemployment claims in 3 minutes.
In 3 minutes? Okay. We have heavy buy at the bottom. How is this looking? Okay, this is giving me hope. Wait. Look at this. This zone. Okay. Come on. Go down.
Manage your risk accordingly,
Now
guys.
that, yeah, I was just about to say, now that you mentioned news, I want to reduce my risk. It's okay, stop is right above this anyway.
Also, I want to say, NAS has dropped over 100 points from what I said. I did take a small sell on it, but I did not catch the, over 100 pips, 100 points. Only got like 30 points, but I'll take it. It's
Now
like,
that I'm looking at it, I feel like it could go up to this spot. I don't know. It could go up to this spot. Okay, the reason being, look at this. We have this, right? HVL, and this is the cutoff of the volume, and we're doing volume up here. Okay. Where's my stop? Above, around here. It's around there. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm good to hold. And we're doing volume on top of the candle. Let's see what happens. 2 minutes until the news. Can we close below? Below. How's the delta looking? Delta is still overall positive. This is crucial.
Man.
Where we close.
NASDAQ is getting close. Sorry.
No, you're chilling. What's going on with NASDAQ?
It's almost at the 28,800 target. It's motorboating straight down there. So yeah.
Motorboating.
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 That must be
It's
so
great to
different.
have like Sorry, go ahead.
No, go. I was going to make a terrible joke. Go ahead. Sorry.
I was just gonna say, you know, it's great to have like, you know, good, you know, analysis beforehand and then see it play out. Right?
Yes.
It's like make your plans in advance and then trade your plan.
Exactly.
100%. And we can help
But
you
make
build
sure
that
the plan is right.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we
Hopefully
can-
you're, you know, experienced and educated to make a good plan.
Exactly.
And we can
Plan
help
the
you with that,
plan.
guys. We can help you with that. But you've got to be in the Discord, Play Trading Academy. We also review charts. Members of the community will post their charts for us to look at, critique, give advice. Just a
Go
good
down,
community, guys.
Go down, boy. Go down, boy.
Oh, news,
Go
guys.
down, boy.
News.
Give me the money. Give me the money. Come on. Don't disappoint me. I don't like it. I like the way it's holding. Okay, I'm gonna reduce some of the risk. So I'm gonna leave one.
Order
micro.
rejected.
Oh, what the hell? 31 micros. No.
No.
Whoa, whoa, no.
Order filled.
Okay.
I can see that on your order.
I put 31 micros. He goes, order rejected.
I'm not surprised. I just got a $300,000 account. Wow.
Oh god, that was a joke.
Okay, guys.
Typical human error.
Give this a couple more minutes, guys. Let the news.
All right,
settle down.
I'm sitting break even, by the way.
Okay.
A little bit on profit, and I took 2 micros off. Whatever happens, happens. I'm looking at 50s, like I said, guys. I'm gonna take my full TP at 52, around there. Are we doing volume lower? Yes, we are. We are good to go down. Okay, we might have a minor pullback here, a little bit below, because we have a missing POC there, and it's about to tap it, and it tapped it just now. So we might see a reaction here, and there you go. Here's the reaction. Okay, now I was gonna take my full profit right now because it could give it a deeper pullback, but because it's the news and stuff, I'll just leave it. Let the market do its thing. I'm sitting risk-free anyway.
Okay, look, before we go, guys, so Kay is now risk-free on his sell. Manage your risk as you see fit. Oh man, we've been here an hour and 15 already. Jeez. So,
Oh wow.
Oh,
guys, just to recap on today's stream. Make sure you rewatch the stream, come back and have a look. But we took beautiful buys earlier. I only called a 1-to-1, as I said, because it was a buy. It was against the trend, so I'm not looking to really hold for anything too significant. We also took an earlier buy as well in the Flow Trading Academy. That one worked out as well. So 2 trades, 2 big wins today. Really good day, guys, as we approach the end of the week. Tomorrow, if there's a A+ setup, I'll certainly take it, but I'm in no rush to start giving my profits back to the market. At the moment, guys, we're still holding the 70s and the 75s. Okay, so
Farah, all hell, Mo Farah. Come on, Mo Farah.
yeah, come on, my fam.
Push. He's about to get exhausted. Oh
Hey.
yes, he is pushing hard.
Don't rush too
Oh,
much
yes.
into anything.
There you
We've
go.
got. There we go. Beautiful. Now we're at the
Go on,
72.
Mo
So
Farah.
what's interesting, guys, here, just as we close out, I am gonna mark out these huge orders that we saw come through live on Wall's chart. Just click that. I'm just gonna mark that up as an area of interest. Because, guys, as Wall said, the price will always return to the scene of the crime. So that's going to be a key level for me coming into tomorrow's session, particularly with orders of that size. But at the 80s, so we'll see what happens there, guys. So make sure to like and subscribe. Find out when we are live every single day. Moving forward, I think we're probably going to stick to the same session. I like this window of, an hour before NYSE opens, 30 minutes before NY opens. Volume's so much better than it is during the
Stop
London
filled.
Okay, my runner got stopped. Okay, done for the day.
Beautiful.
all right.
Beautiful.
Well,
Thanks, Kay.
good trades on Simon's half. Good trades on Kay's half. All right. Good trades all around.
Walt took a beautiful short on Nasdaq. I think I heard him say as well.
Yep.
Yeah. So guys, 3 traders here. We've all taken 3 trades. And we smashed all of them. So nothing but W's today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the session. Make sure you like, subscribe, find out when we're going to be live. Join the 3 Discord. Link in the description. And look forward to seeing you there. All right. Peace out, guys.
Peace.
See you, everyone.